Okay, ladies and gents, I need some help. So, I have wired what I think is, I don't think I have this correct. Do I have the light switch plugged correctly? And does this guy right here go right there? But if that's the case, what I don't understand is the hazards over here too. But let me show you what I have so far on this Rallye dash. So I don't have the speedometer here, but I have all the indicator bulbs, and then I have like my gray and my blue. Am I supposed to have grounds on those? We'll go on that other side. Anything? I would assume I had grounds. And then I have on this side of the Rallye dash the other bulbs. And then the hots. And then just because I pulled this off right now and I'm lazy, my question is I have this extra wire too? And there were two of these that looked like they go on a switch, but then I also have a ground, I think, on the actual dash right there. But this doesn't fit. Neither of these two blacks fit on that. Maybe it's just stupid, but so I'm wondering about that. I also got the violet, but again, I have nothing on the other side. Maybe nothing goes on it. I'm not 100% sure. I'm trying to figure that out. And I have figured out that this is the assembly for the harness that goes to the back. There's my lights, my high and low beams. But what I didn't find is the plug that goes to my heater control. Wanted to know what that looks like. I have a bunch of extras, so obviously it's got to be around here somewhere. But I haven't been able to figure it out. And so, if anybody has any idea, but I did find like the steering. And then over here, I found that this is the right here, this guy is to the ashtray, and then the ashtray light, and then I was just wondering if anybody knew what this one was to, a split. And where I was confused is not only do I have that, but I have this whole set too, and this whole set, I have to look it up, but I was wondering, is this the emergency or the flashers? And if so, that doesn't happen to go clear over here, does it? Because it doesn't make any sense to me. So that's where I'm at so far. I'm trying to get this bad boy together. You probably couldn't see anything, but that's what I have. So obviously that's to the door. And then, yeah. So now you guys got a sense of where I'm at. Hot mess. So
after you're done, can you fix Gigi's washer?
Dishwasher? I don't know.
Gigi, Dad, can you fix Gigi's dishwasher a day?
I don't know.